Just as a quickie selfie reminder, those making avoid the use of sodium hydroxide or lye, which can burn your skin and permanently damage your eyes. So be sure to learn and follow lye-safe handle procedure during the entire sauce making process, even while cleaning up. You can buy the products on Instagram store on.taa. Remember to follow my channel and like it. Your support is my bigger motivation. Safflower is a plant type of Chinese medicine that is the giant koala of safflower. Safflower is used to prevent hair loss and hair growth, mainly to dilate capillaries. Readers, scalp capillary fat adhesion, soften blood vessels, increase scalp blood flow and blood supply, promote eczema, metabolism, so the metabolic rate of the hair matrix of the hair follicle can quickly pass through the capillaries into the blood and materialize out of the body. Therefore, for the hair matrix of hair follicles, one is an increase in blood supply, an increase in blood oxygen, sufficient nutrition, and best cell status. Second, the metabolic rate generate can quickly discharge, increase epidermal cell pliability and ability to divide, more beneficial for growth. Third, the safflower penetration is very strong and soluble in water. It is easy to play a role through epidermal absorption, and it is a natural plant, and there are no side effects of epidermal use. Can be used with confidence. Not suitable for those taking safflower. People who are allergic to safflower on its ingredients. Patients with hemorrhagic disorder should not take safflower. Women with a loss of menstruation should not take safflower. And pregnant women should not take safflower. Information is for reference only. If you have any question, please check with our registered Chinese medicine practitioner advice. Thank you.